So you're thinking about moving to Prince George's County or other surrounding counties? Well, you're in luck because today we're looking at the Timothy branch located in Brandywine, Maryland, and the builder that we're getting ready to take a look at is Ryan Homes. My name is Alfred Turner, and this is my beautiful wife, Shawana. We're Metro Area Development, and together with our amazing team, we're covering all things real estate in Prince George's County and all other surrounding counties as well. Before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. That way you'll never miss one of our tours of what it's like to live in Prince George's County. Whether you're moving in the next 30, 60, or 90 days, we would love to hear from you. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Our contact information is in the description, so reach out to us. We would love to help you make that move into Prince George's County. All right, this is the Beethoven. We get ready to go in here and tour the Beethoven. So, hey, stick with us, and let's go in and take a look at it. All right, talk to you soon. If you're interested in this subdivision, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. All the information is in the description below.